Hello and welcome, folks. In this video, I'll show you a quick trick on how to change app icons on macOS Tahoe. First, to find the app you want to change the icon for, go to Finder, then open the Applications folder. Here, you'll see all your installed applications. Next, locate the app whose icon you'd like to change. Right-click on the app and select Get Info. In the Preview section of this window, you'll see the current app icon. Now, to get fresh and creative macOS icons, I recommend a website called macosicons.com. This site is completely free, and you can download icons without any cost. Simply type the application's name, and you'll find a variety of icon styles to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll change the icon of the Google Drive app, so I'll search for Google Drive in the search box. When you scroll down, you'll notice plenty of styles available. I'm choosing this one. Click Download to get the image. You can preview the file by double-clicking it from your recent downloads. Here's the new icon. Looks beautiful. Now that we have the new icon ready, open the folder where the downloaded image is saved. You'll need to copy this image. To do that, right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Command+C. Next, go back to the Info window of the Google Drive app. In this window, on the top left, you'll see the current application icon. Click once on the icon so that it gets highlighted. Remember, you can't right-click here. Just select it, then paste the new icon by pressing Command+V. You'll now notice that under the Preview section, the app icon has been updated. You can close the window. However, if you look at the dock, the icon may still appear as the old one. Don't worry. To refresh it, just click the app in the dock, and it will instantly update to the new icon. And that's it. You can use the same process to change the icons of your other apps as well. Thank you for watching.